Here is a brand new collection of Dazzles. These are all 8 by 9 inches, so they're the larger size. And we've taken 2 different sheets and done them in several finishes. So let me show you the first one. This is Fantastic Frames and Phrases, as I said. Here it is in pearl gold. Isn't that pretty? Now you can see why it's called Fantastic Frames, because you have the frames. Perfect for card making, great on scrapbook pages, also easy to use for shaker cards, so that works nicely. Now this says wishes inside this circle, but the best birthday can also be used separately. You've got extra pieces as always. We always fill the pages. You can see hello over there. You've got this pennant and celebrate down here, but it's your day, and all of those confetti pieces you can use separately. So we've got this in the pearl gold, we have it in white, we have it in black, and also in the silver pearl. So that's nice. Then we took a second sheet and we did it in 4 other finishes. So here it is in the blue. You can see this mirror blue is just striking, as is the mirror red. Then we also did it in white and in black. So you can see that these are going to be so useful for scrapbooking, card making, anything you have. As I said, straight down on your projects or else making shaker cards, whatever you like. And it's a Paper Wishes exclusive.